Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this Bride of Frankenstein right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I first start out by mapping out where I want each of my different color patches to be. I'm just using a white eye pencil, and then I'm going to be coloring in each of those sections with a different color. So on one I do like a light pale foundation shade, and then I do white, and then a light green and a dark green. You can do it whatever colors you want. Then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So on this side it's gonna be more of a regular eyebrow, like how I would normally do it, and then on the other side it's gonna be a little bit more arched. And then on the natural side, I am taking a brown eyeshadow and blending that on my eye area. And then I'm also going to take a peachy shade and put that on the lid as well. And I'm also bringing that peach shade underneath the eye. And then on the green side, I am taking a dark purple eyeshadow and blending that up. Taking it again underneath the eye. And then I'm taking some green eyeshadow and contouring my nose a little bit more, just to add color to the face, and Cupid's bow and a little bit around the edges where the white is. Then I'm taking a red lipstick and I'm going to use that for my lips. And then I do some wing liner on both sides, and also line my waterline with the white eye pencil. And then I'm taking red body paint. All the paints I use are for Mayron makeup, and I'm just tracing those original white lines we drew that separate the different parts of the face. And I do the same thing to the chest. And then I'm going back and making certain parts of the red thicker. And then I'm going to be taking white body paint and going along the edges of the red. Taking black body paint, I am painting on some stitches. I'm doing little X's or just little lines going above the red. And then I'm highlighting each of the little stitches with some white body paint. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials. If you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I could see it and I will like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.